What was initially believed to be a tragic trekking accident at Pune's historical Loegarh Fort has now become one of the Maharashtra's most sensational murder investigations.
मेरी बड़ी पीड़ा ये है कि जो भी है, जिसने जो भी ये किया है, उसे सख्त से सख्त सजा मिले।
तो उसे सख्त से सख्त सजा होनी चाहिए, चाहे उसमें मेरी बेटी भी हो। अगर मेरी बेटी का दोष निकले तो जहाँ से केतन जी को गिराया गया या जो गिरे हैं वहां से ही उस दोषी को गिराया जाए।
Every passing day, Pune Rural Police are uncovering fresh evidence that the investigators say points towards the planned conspiracy behind the death of 26-year-old Ketan Agarwal. From CCTV footages and cafe meetings to mobile phone records, digital evidence, and multiple murder attempts, like multiple planning for the murder attempts, the investigation has taken several dramatic turns. Let's try to understand what exactly the evidence are saying. The investigation into the death of Ketan Agarwal has now reached at a crucial stage, with Pune Rural Police claiming to have uncovered a detailed trial of digital, forensic, and CCTV evidence. According to the police, Ketan was allegedly murdered by his fiancée Sia Goyal with the help of her alleged lover Chetan Chaudhary. Investigators claim the conspiracy was planned over several months before it was executed during a trek to Loegarh Fort on June 18th. One of the biggest breakthroughs came through the CCTV footages collected from different locations in Pune. According to the investigators, CCTV cameras captured Sia Goyal meeting Chetan Chaudhary at a cafe a day before Ketan's death. Police believe the meeting was part of a planning for the alleged murder. Investigators are analyzing the footage along with other digital evidence to establish the sequence of the events. Police have also recovered another CCTV clip showing Sia and Ketan together. Police have also recovered another CCTV clip showing that both the persons together at the different cafe before the incident. Investigators says the footage has helped to reconstruct the Ketan's final moments before he left for the trek as well. Another crucial, like the CCTV footage that has been seen near the Loegarh Fort, investigators noticed a man wearing a hoodie, face mask, and headphones despite the hot June weather. Police later identified the man as Chetan Chaudhary. According to the investigators, he allegedly left his mobile phone behind to avoid the location tracking and security and secretly traveled to the fort separately from Sia and Ketan. Police say that unusual appearance of the hoodie that clad man initially drew the attention and later became one of the key clues that held for the entire conspiracy. Investigators have also recovered what they described as a strong digital trail. According to the police, mobile phones belonging to the accused contained repeated search related to the Loegarh Fort, the dangerous viewpoints, isolated trekking routes, and locations from where a person could fall into a deep gorge. Police further claimed that the accused had visited Loegarh Fort on multiple occasions before the incident to survey the area and to identify what investigators described as a dead point, a location from where the survival after a fall would be highly unlikely. The investigation has also revealed extensive communication between the two accused. According to Pune Rural Police, Sia Goyal and Chetan Chaudhary remained in the constant contact for nearly 6 months before the incident. Investigators says that they exchanged more than 2004 phone calls and spent nearly 238 hours speaking to each other, a pattern police believe indicates the detailed planning in that. Police have also alleged that this was not the first attempt on Ketan's life. According to the investigators, their first allegedly attempt took on May 31st, like when Sia allegedly tried to push Ketan after distracting him at a pointing towards a snake. Ketan reportedly managed to save himself. Police further claimed that another plan was made for June 4th, but it could not be carried out after Ketan's mother reportedly did not allow him to go for the trekking. Investigators also alleged that the attempt was made on June 14th, but it failed because there were too many people present near the locations as well. Even police believe that the alleged conspiracy was finally executed on June 18th when Ketan was taken to at an isolated point at Loegarh Fort. According to investigators, Chetan was present nearby Sia, accompanied Ketan towards the viewpoint. Police alleged the two coordinated their movements before Ketan was pushed into the court. Following the incident, a security guard stationed at the Loyagarh Fort heard screams and rushed to the spot. According to his statement to the police, Sia informed that someone had fallen into the valley, and with local authorities and police were also alerted. Meanwhile, the investigation has taken another dramatic turn during the custodial interrogation. According to the police, both Sia and Chetan Chaudhary have begun blaming each other for planning the alleged murder. However, investigators maintain that the CCTV footage, mobile phone records, digital evidence, witnesses' statements, and forensic findings collectively indicated that the incident was the result of pre-planned conspiracy rather than an accidental fall. The victim's family has demanded a fast-track trial and the strictest punishment for those who are responsible. In a significant development, even Sia Goel's parents have also publicly stated that if their daughter is found guilty in court of law, she should receive the punishment available under the law that could be same incident that has been taken place with Ketan Agarwal has to be taken place with Sia Goel as well, also Chetan Chaudhary, who is involved. The investigation is still underway and all the allegations made by Pune Rural Police remain subject to the judicial scrutiny. As investigators continue to explain CCTV footage, digital evidence and forensic findings, these Loyagarh Fort case has emerged as one of the most closely watched criminal investigations in Maharashtra. We will continue to bring you every verified update as this is the high-profile case progress. Loyagarh Fort murder case. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.